Looking to make your home feel cozier, smarter, and more relaxing? These clever Amazon furniture picks are designed to elevate comfort, enhance your space, and add style without the effort. From lounging to working to unwinding, they make every corner feel better than before. All products are linked in the description below. This pull-out daybed gives you a stylish sofa by day and a comfy sleeper by night, perfect for small spaces or guest rooms. It even includes hidden storage to keep blankets and pillows neatly tucked away. With soft, breathable fabric and smooth rolling wheels that make opening and closing effortless, it's designed for comfort and convenience. This versatile Ottoman Cube transforms into multiple seating options, giving you extra chairs, a makeup stool, or even a bedside surface, all in one compact design. The tech fabric finish is soft, durable, and easy to clean, while the cushioned interior keeps it comfortable for daily use. With built-in swivel wheels and a stackable structure, it moves easily and saves space in any room. This smart mini bar table brings convenience right to your living room with a built-in refrigerator that keeps your drinks chilled and always within reach. The wireless charging pad on top lets you power your phone without cables, while the dedicated laptop port keeps your workspace ready anytime. Its sleek, modern design doubles as a spacious coffee table, blending tech and style effortlessly. From relaxing to working, everything stays organized, powered, and close at hand with this multifunctional setup. This modern coffee table is built to do more, giving you storage, mobility, and flexible workspace all in one compact design. Its liftable, 360-degree rotating top makes it easy to switch from relaxing to working without moving spots. Smooth, floor-friendly wheels let you glide it anywhere, while the sturdy stainless steel lift and solid base keep everything stable. With layered compartments that neatly hold your books, snacks, and remotes, staying organized feels effortless. This compact folding lantern gives you bright, reliable light wherever you go, snapping open for a full lantern glow or collapsing into a handy flashlight. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and even doubles as an emergency power bank when you need a quick boost. Built tough for camping, storms, or everyday use, it keeps you prepared indoors and outdoors. Meet the portable smart TV that goes wherever you do, delivering a crisp 4K touch display and smooth Android performance. It runs on a massive built-in battery so you can stream, browse, and work without being tied to a wall outlet. With a detachable camera, voice remote, and full swivel rotation, it's perfect for movies, workouts, cooking, or even outdoor hangouts. This extendable console table is the perfect space-saving upgrade for any home, transforming from a compact entryway piece into a full dining setup in seconds. Its sturdy Italian craftsmanship, smooth extension system, and built-in leaf storage make it both practical and stylish. The rustic oak finish blends effortlessly with any decor while giving you the flexibility to host whenever you need. If shoes keep taking over your floor, this over-the-door organizer is the quick fix you'll wish you got sooner. With a tall multi-tier layout, it gives every pair its own spot so nothing gets crushed or lost. The metal frame stays sturdy while the mesh backing keeps everything from slipping through and even helps your shoes air out. It hangs right over your door with no drilling, making it perfect for renters or tight spaces. Great for shoes, accessories, or even cleaning supplies. It turns unused door space into effortless, clutter-free storage. Your workspace gets a serious upgrade the moment this desk enters the room. With the push of a button, you glide from sitting to standing, letting you move the way your body actually wants to. You can save your favorite heights, so you switch positions instantly without fiddling around. The steel frame stays rock steady even when raised all the way up. giving your monitors and gear a solid home. When your home starts feeling cluttered, these tall stackable bins bring instant calm. They pop open without tools and give you 2 easy access points. Lift the top or swing open the front door when you just need one item. The clear panel helps you spot everything at a glance, so no more digging through random piles. Built-in grooves keep each bin locked in place when stacked, and the wheels make moving them around surprisingly effortless. Bare walls turn into stylish display spots the moment you add these floating shelves. You get 3 sturdy boards that hold everything from books to plants without bending or wobbling. The matte finish gives your room a clean, modern look, while the wood texture keeps things warm and cozy. Each shelf is sealed to stay smooth and straight, even in humid bathrooms or busy kitchens. They install easily and instantly make any space feel more organized and intentional. Hand washing feels way cooler when you don't even have to touch anything. This smart wall-mounted dispenser pops out soft foam the moment you place your hands under it, giving you a clean and quick wash every time. You can adjust how much it dispenses, and the tiny screen shows the battery and time so you always know what's going on. It recharges fast and lasts for months, so you don't have to fuss with constant refills or batteries. When your books start piling up, this clever tree-shaped shelf steps in to save the day. Its 6 branches give you plenty of spots to stack books, movies, games, or little decor pieces you love. You get a sturdy base and a built-in drawer, so you can tuck away the small stuff you don't want lying around. The design looks rustic and warm, making your room feel instantly more organized. Best of all, it takes up hardly any space, giving you storage without crowding your home. When your towels keep piling up, this wall-mounted rack gives them a proper home. The tall, vertical design holds multiple rolled towels, while the top shelf keeps extras and toiletries easy to grab. The metal frame stays sturdy, and the sleek, all-black look adds a spa-like vibe to your bathroom. It fits neatly above toilets, beside showers, or in tight corners where storage is limited. Install it in minutes and enjoy a cleaner, calmer space. Outdoor hangouts just got way smarter. This clever 2-in-1 setup flips from a cozy bench into a full picnic table in seconds, giving you exactly what you need, when you need it. You can seat a group comfortably, enjoy a meal, or just relax without worrying about wobble or weight. The built-in umbrella slot keeps you cool and shaded so you can stay outside longer. Perfect for gardens, patios, parks, and any spot where you want instant seating without the hassle. When your laundry corner keeps getting messy, this bamboo hamper brings everything back under control. The tilt-out door makes it easy to drop clothes in, and the hidden liner lifts right out when it's time to wash. 3 open shelves give you space for towels, soaps, or extra supplies you want within reach. The bamboo frame adds a warm, modern touch while staying sturdy and well ventilated. When your cabinet feels like a black hole, this organizer brings everything back within reach. The double slide-out drawers glide smoothly, letting you grab spices, cleaning supplies, or tools without digging around. The metal frame stays sturdy, resists rust, and wipes clean in seconds. Rounded edges and high guardrails keep your hands safe and your items secure. Set it in place and watch your under-sink space turn neat, stable, and stress-free. When your entryway needs order without taking up space, this clever bench steps in. The flip-out drawers hide your shoes neatly, giving you a clean and calm first impression every time you walk in. You get a comfy, cushioned seat for putting shoes on, plus breathable panels that keep everything aired out and easy to grab. The bamboo frame adds a warm, natural touch while staying sturdy and reliable. When your bed can move with you, even rest starts to feel smarter. This electric frame lets you lift your head, raise your feet, or tap into a weightless zero-gravity position that takes pressure off your joints. You can charge your devices right beside you, use the soft underbed light at night, and adjust everything with an easy wireless remote. It works with most mattresses, keeping them secure so you stay comfortable in any angle. When one table can shapeshift into whatever you need, your whole living room feels smarter. This lift-top design rises for work or dining, then settles back down as a sleek coffee table. You get hidden storage under the top, a roomy drawer for everyday items, and 4 stools that open up to hold even more. The rounded corners keep things safe, and the smooth caster wheels let you roll it anywhere with ease. It's an all-in-one space saver that keeps your home tidy and ready for anything. This mobile bedside table brings comfort and flexibility right to your bed or sofa, giving you a spacious surface for working, studying, or enjoying meals without leaving your cozy spot. With adjustable height and length, it easily fits everything from recliners to hospital beds, adapting to your perfect position. The smooth rolling wheels lock in place for stable use, while the sturdy metal frame and wood top handle daily tasks with ease. This Coca-Cola retro-style mini fridge brings a bold vintage vibe to any space while keeping your favorite drinks perfectly chilled. Its slim design fits easily in bedrooms, home bars, offices, or dorms, and the display window with classic Coke artwork instantly grabs attention. With push-button vending action, guests can grab a cold can just like a real mini vending machine. Powered by both AC and DC, it's ready for home, road trips, cottages, or RVs, cooling your drinks with efficient, eco-friendly thermoelectric technology. When you want a chair that feels like your own little escape, this recliner delivers. You can swivel all the way around, rock gently forward and back, or lean into a comfy recline with one easy pull. The plush foam hugs your body, and the soft fabric keeps you relaxed for as long as you sit. You get pockets and cup holders on both sides, so everything you need stays within reach. Set it up in minutes and enjoy a cozy spot that makes any room feel more inviting. When you need a table that appears only when you want it, this clever drop leaf design steps up. Fold it out for meals, projects, or work, and you get a wide surface that comfortably fits your whole crew. The smooth edges feel safe to the touch, so you don't worry about bumps. You'll love how easily it rolls into place, giving you a flexible spot for dining or everyday tasks. When you're done, fold it back down and enjoy the clean, open space again. When a seat can turn into a bed in seconds, you suddenly unlock freedom in any small space. This fold-out chair lets you sit, lounge, or lie flat whenever you need a break. The soft corduroy feels cozy on your skin, and the supportive foam keeps you comfortable without sinking. You get a cushion and back pillow that ease pressure on your back and legs while you relax. When you're done, just fold it up and enjoy how much space you save. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.